I've always wanted to travel solo. Recently, I filed my VL and went to Nagoya just in time for the cherry blossom season. But first things first, Famichiki from the Konbini. It's iconic and it's something that you shouldn't miss. From Chubu Airport, I took a 40-minute ride to the city center and headed to my hotel in Sakai. It's a 5-minute walk from the station and I really like that they offered free drinks at the lobby and has an all-female floor. After checking in, I'm off to Yabaton for Nagoya's pride, the Misokatsu. Then I wandered around Hisaya Odori Park and saw the flowers just starting to bloom. I also got to visit the Mirai Tower and the Oasis 21 up close. You also get a really nice view at the top floor. It's peaceful and romantic. For dinner, I tried Yamachan for their famous tebasaki and ankake spaghetti. Even at night, Nagoya's full of life and I don't think it's boring. I really had fun doing this by myself. Actually, my day wasn't over yet. Of course, I had to visit the second happiest place on earth. Is there a better way to spend your first night in Japan? On this day, I found joy in traveling alone. Hope you find it too.